Band in the kitchen, Mr. Chef man. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching us from. So you are welcome to another vlog. So this morning we are doing our morning routine. Yes, as you can see, hubby is helping me with the cleaning. So he's trying to make sure that everywhere is perfectly clean. So I'll be doing all the dusting, cleaning all the cabinets, all of them. Hey, whoa, look at my potato, look at my missing potato. Guys, just imagine. That's why it's good to sweep all these corners, all these hidden places. Just imagine my delicious Irish potato. I've been looking for it. I know it's my baby that throw it over there. Yeah, so guys, just stay tuned because you are going to enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned, lots more. We are doing different things, so you stay tuned guys, because I'm going to be taking you all along. What are you saying? You want to sweep? You want to sweep? I should carry you. So guys, that is that for now. What baby? Leave there. Yeah, come. Let's go. Come. Let's go. Come.
Put the money unfinishable. Unfinishable. Impossible. Put the money unfinishable. Impossible. The money unfinishable. Impossible. Put the money unfinishable. Impossible. The money unfinishable. Impossible. Put the money unfinishable. Impossible. The money unfinishable.
Hello guys, welcome back again. So this is 1 week after the first video that you just watched. So this is my dear husband in the kitchen, Mr. Chef man. So hubby said he had a new recipe which he would like to introduce. So let me ask him. So what are you cooking for us today?
As you can see, I want to prepare what is called okra melon.
Oh, did you hear that? Okra melon.
New recipe.
Wow.
People have it, other people have done it before.
Wow.
So I want to introduce this okra.
Today you depose.
Okay. Wow, you have a lot of for me, this is my first time hearing of okra melon. In fact, I haven't heard that kind of recipe. Wow. So as you can see, hubby is trying to get everything ready before he starts
Like other people, if they also want it to have it, you can use water, mix it, or you can use salt. Onions. With onions, you just slice the onions inside and pound it together. Because I don't have
Wow.
the pistol. It's
Ew.
not pistol what they use to pound it. So this is what I use. Very well pounded.
Mr. Chef, Mr. Chef, Mr. Chef. Chef number 1, the latest chef in town, Claros.
It's not that too small because I use the grater.
Okay, so guys, here is the okra. You use the grater
I
to
use
grate
the
it.
bigger part of the
Yeah.
You can also slide it the way I did it. I like it.
I can't wait for this new recipe. Like.
I've not done it before. I've never heard of it before. But I want to do it.
Okay, you just want to give it a try.
Yes, this is the
Recipe.
new. So let's go there.
Yeah, let's begin the
The
cooking.
only thing you can do for us cheese sandwich is supporting us.
Yes, guys, support us.
Supporting us.
That's all.
Keep on eating the life.
Yes, and share.
And keep on commenting.
Exactly.
At least you're commenting. At least your colleague can also encourage us.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, new recipe. Yes. Exactly. So guys, you stay tuned and enjoy the rest of this video. So guys, here is our beef. Can you see how fresh it's looking? So this is it. And here is fresh pepper. It's already on fire. So let's see what is going to be doing with this water meat. Our meat is boiling. So what are you doing now?
All this overthinking, the more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started.
So you can see I'm mixing it with the okra with hot water. I just want to open it so that by the time I put inside the other spices not concealed or no. So that's why I'm
Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking.
our okra melon is ready. So this is it. Look at how yummy it's looking. Can you see that? Can you see that? I love this soup. It's so delicious. So thank you all for watching this video. See you all in our next one. All thanks to hobby. So bye.